Maths period only. Now you have maths period. Okay, sir. Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Viraj.
I am not Viraj, I am Netra.
Good morning, Netra.
Good
I
morning,
can
ma'am.
see only Viraj's face. That's why I thought Viraj is wishing me. Yeah, try to open your video always, Netra. Okay? Set your hair. Hello? Something you are saying, Viraj?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Let me join others also. After that, we'll start the class. What concept we are going through? In which concept we are in now?
Multiples.
Yes, multiples. Isn't it interesting, children? Multiples.
Yes, ma'am.
What are related to each other? Multiples and one more. What is the concept related to each other?
Factors.
Huh? What is that?
Factors.
Ah, very good. Multiples and factors. Okay. Is my voice is clear to you all today?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Rohan, where you are roaming? Come and sit in one place. Rohan, you were there yesterday. Were you present yesterday? Rohan?
Ma'am.
No. No. You did not attend yesterday's class, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Why? We started multiples yesterday. Multiples chapter has been started.
How are you,
Try to
ma'am?
attend regularly, otherwise you people will miss the important concepts. Okay?
Ma'am.
Confused, ma'am. 10:25 English was there and 10:32 Maths was there.
Huh?
Ma'am, I am confused actually.
Actually,
Mother,
this is
take
the
my phone,
substitution
ma'am.
period I have taken now. Now it is the substitution period. Again, we'll be having fifth period again. You people have
Ma'am?
class period again in the fifth period again. Okay?
Ma'am?
By 12:40 it will start again.
Mother took my phone.
Ma'am?
Yes?
Ma'am, here I have some network issue, ma'am. Once I leave and I will join.
How many times you do that, Netra? Always.
Ma'am,
Always it's going, ma'am.
mother
Try
took
to
my phone.
be in another place. Shift the place from there. Okay, you do it, but next time.
Ma'am, my brother took my phone.
Your brother took your phone. That's why you have not attended yesterday, Rohan. That's why.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you take any other option and try to attend regularly. Okay. Not only yesterday, you were absent for on day before yesterday also, right? Try to attend regularly. Okay. Now let us start the class. I'm muting you all.
Lasya, Intra Puri.
We are in what? Multiples concepts. Okay, we are going through multiples concepts. What are multiples actually? Simple thing you have to remember. What are multiples? The numbers, when you multiply two numbers, you will get a product, right? This is nothing but a multiple. What is it? It's a multiple of what here? 2 and 3. 6 is not only a multiple of 2 and 3, 6 is a multiple of 1 also, right? 6 is a multiple of 1, 2, 3 as well as itself. A number is a multiple of itself also, and every number is a multiple of 1. If you take 24, Sadgun, tell me 24 is a multiple of what all numbers?
24 is multiple of. Ma'am,
Start
2.
from 1 onwards.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh.
Ma'am, 1.
1. Why? Because 124s are is 24. So 24 is a multiple of 1. Next.
Ma'am, 2.
Very good.
And 3.
Very good.
Ma'am, 7.
Why? Where you will get 24? In 7 table? Are you all perfect in tables, children? Try,
Ma'am,
try. You are trying well. 6, huh?
Ma'am,
Okay,
six.
6. 6. Next.
8.
Very good.
Ma'am, 12.
Very good.
And 24.
Very good. One number you missed. What is that? I have given space also there.
Ma'am, 8.
8 you have told already. Yeah, everybody, your friends are showing the signs also. I can see you, Sanvi. Yeah, Viraj. Might be that Sadgun is thinking that your people are saying to him to stop. Yeah, Samanyu. Can you guess? Oh. Good, good, good. Sanidhi, Siddhant, you all should switch on your videos. Sanidhi? Yeah, how are you? You are understanding this multiples concept?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me what number is missing here?
4.
Very good. It's 4. 4 is the factor of 24. 24 is a multiple of 4. Right, children? 24 is a multiple of 4 and 4 is a factor of 24. So here we got these many factors for 24. 24 is a multiple of 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Now let us take some multiples. Start from 1 onwards. Now I want to take for the number 3. Vinmay on your video, Nana.
Okay,
Vinmay,
ma'am.
switch on your video. Praneet, Siddhant, switch on your videos. Kritik, Darwin, Akshay. Vinmay, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Where are you? Switched on? Have you
Yes,
switched
ma'am.
on your video? Yeah,
Yes,
now
ma'am.
tell me what is the first multiple of 3?
3 first. 3 1 3.
Not just tell me what is the first multiple of 3. What you said is correct only, but I need the exact answer. You frame it properly and tell.
Ma'am, your voice is stucking, ma'am.
I know that you can hear me clearly. Tell me what is the first multiple of 3. Nowadays you are getting diverted. Before you used to be very regular in everything. Nowadays you are losing the interest. Why, Vinmay? Again you switched off. On your video, Vinmay? Vinmay? Vinmay, switch on your video. Rohan, tell me what is the first multiple of 3? Your video got stuck.
Ma'am,
Praneeth?
Ma'am, one.
No, Nana. Done?
Ma'am,
Yes.
three.
Ah, 3 is
Ma'am,
the first multiple.
three.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
very
three.
good, Praneeth. 3 is the first multiple of 3. 3. You are saying about 1. 1 is a factor actually, right? This is the first multiple of 3. Now, Kritik, tell me what is the second multiple of 3? Very good.
Ma'am,
3
six.
twos are is 6.
Six.
So 6 is the second multiple of 3. Siddhant, on your video. Akshay, on your video. Now, Samanyu, tell me what is the third multiple of 3?
9. 9.
What is the third multiple of 3, Samanyu? I have unmuted you.
9.
Yeah, tell me third multiple of 3.
Ma'am, 9. Ma'am, 9.
Samanyu,
Ma'am,
first multiple of 3 is 3. Second multiple of 3 is 6. Third multiple of 3 is not putting concentration. This is the easy answer.
ma'am,
This is the easy answer, Samanyu.
9. 9.
I expected the first thing from you only. Yeah, tell me loudly.
9.
9 is the third multiple of 3. See, third time. When you multiply for first time, you will get 3. Second multiple is 6. Third multiple is 9, right? 9. Next, Siddhant. What is the fourth multiple of 3? Siddhant. I'm getting tired by calling you people again and again to switch on your videos. Why can't you follow it when I say it once? Akshay, are you there, Akshay? Akshay, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me what is the fourth, where you were till now? Simply you switched off and roaming here and there? I should see you always switching on your video. On it fast. On your videos, Akshay. Now tell me what is the fourth multiple of 3? What is the fourth multiple of 3? See, you were not there till now. You were roaming here and there. Then how can you understand? How can you answer this? Now I should see you sitting in front of the camera. Don't roam here and there and switch it on. I'll not ask you any kind of questions now. Simply you listen carefully, okay? Tell me, Viraj, what is the fourth multiple of 3?
Ma'am, 12.
Very good. 12 is the fourth multiple of 3. In the same manner, what will become the fifth multiple of 3? Vinmay, switch on your video. Tell me what is the fifth multiple of 3, Vinmay? Vinmay. Vinmay. Rohan. Siddhant. Siddhant, unmute yourself. Tell me what is the fifth multiple of 3?
15.
Very good. Now don't off it, okay? Don't off your video. 15 is the fifth multiple of 3. Now, Sanidhi, tell me first 5 multiples of 2. Now you tell me. What are the first 5 multiples of 2?
First 5 multiples of First multiple of 2 is 2.
Ah, ah,
Second multiple of 2 is 4.
very
Third multiple of 2 is 6. Fourth multiple of 2 is 8. Fifth and fifth multiple of 5 of 2 is 10.
very good. Perfect answer. The first 10 multiples of 2 are what? 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Okay, got it, children? Let us do such kind of problems now. Open your notebook, all of you. Take down one question. Take a fresh page. Put today's date. First, you take down some points. After that, I'll give you a question, okay? Write this.
Completed, ma'am.
Okay. Shall I move the page, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Samanyu, have you completed? One more point. Take down in the same way. The 10th multiple of 3 is how much? 30. The 15th multiple of 3 is, here you have to multiply 3 by 15. So you'll get 45 as answer. The 15th multiple of 3 is how much? 45.
Ma'am,
Yes.
it here 3 into 15 equals to 45 you told no, ma'am. I
Ah.
didn't understand the question correctly, ma'am.
See the 15th multiple of 3. See wherever, see from the starting onwards, the first multiple of 3 means what you are doing? 3 ones are is 3, right? Second multiple of 3 is what you are doing? 3 twos are is 6, right? Third multiple means 3 threes are 9 you are doing. Fourth multiple means 3 fours are 12 you are doing, right? Till 10 you can say easily. Why? Because you can easily multiply them, right? Why? Because you can easily multiply them. But here, whereas when we come to 15th multiple of 3, here what? Here we are doing 3 times of 15. 15th multiple. To get the 15th multiple of 3, you should multiply 3 by 15. If you need, suppose a question like 15th multiple of 4 is there, suppose. If you have to find out the 15th multiple of 4, then what here you have to do? 4 into 15 you have to do. So that you will get 60. 60 is the 15th multiple of 4. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
15th multiple of 5 is what? 5 into 15 you have to do. How much is the answer? It's 75. So this 5 into 15 you should not take. 75 you should take as 15th multiple of 5. To know what the process there you have to apply. So I have shown you the multiplication sentence there. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Now is it clear to you all children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Dharvin, switch on your video. Indivar also switch on your video. Hurya, Sanvi, Siri, all of you should switch on your videos. Now take down one question. Shall I move the page? Okay, I'll write the question down. You people have to do it, okay? If a question comes like, write down one question. Write the first 5 multiples of 4. Then how you will write? Only the multiples you write down. Okay? What are the multiples? Of first 5 multiples of 4? Who will say this? Hurya, tell. What are the first 5 multiples of 4?
So, ma'am, first 5,
Yes.
4, 8,
Hmm.
12, 16, 20.
Very good. Those are the first 5 multiples of 4. So instead of writing like 4 ones are 4 and all, simply you can write only the multiples here. Okay. Only the multiples here. What are the first 5 multiples of 4? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 are the first 5 multiples of first 5. As it is asked like first 5, you are choosing only the first 5 multiples. If a question arises like any 5 means you can take any 5 there, okay?
Okay.
4, 8, 12, 16, 20 are the first 5 multiples of 4. Children, it's time up. It's 11 o'clock. You have break time right now, right? Break of 20 minutes and come back with your other subject. I'm leaving children. We'll continue in the 5th period again, okay? Bye, children.
No, ma'am.
Okay, take them. Those who completed can go for the break.